Hey, Kat. Yeah, just getting back to you. Yeah, the best way to change this, since it's a YouTube video, is to go to YouTube and you could set the cover image. You could set the thumbnail that YouTube uses to represent the video. You could do that in YouTube. Um, Barring that, what you could also do is just take a screenshot of a picture you do like. I picked one here. Um, and then I took a screenshot of it. Depending on if you're a Mac or a PC, it's gonna be different. Um, but see, you could say edit, change image, and I took a screenshot here, and I generated a new one. It will show a new image. So that's how I did it. So you could just change the cover image of any of these assets to whatever picture you want. And if it's a video, and especially if it's a YouTube video, you could change it at the source video through setting the proper thumbnail image there. Or you could just take your own screenshot and upload it to HighNote. Hope that helps. It looks great though. This presentation looks amazing.